What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's NY activity, the NY couple celebrates their Valentine's Day in Urasaya's place. Instagram post na Decogenia posted on Instagram their sweet photos on balcony wearing the same matching clothes. The Decogenia captioned it, "Just a normal day, isn't it?" Hashtag Valentine's Day tagging his girlfriend Urasaya. One of their friends, Kimberly Ann, commented to the post and said with a caption that is Barry style. Many fans are look so happy waiting their updates on Valentine's Day, especially knowing that Urasaya was busy having a show in Macro Pro. Process Beer Band was also posted on Instagram that she feel love when a deck cooks for her today. Process Beer Band captioned it, "Thank you, Chef. Happy Valentine's Day from Asnaka." As you can see, Nadek Gimia never fails, especially when they're having a special moment with his girlfriend. It was a simple date from home, but it was a very special.